and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a short trip to Niagara Falls. Over the summer, I went on a little trip across Canada, exploring different cities, and I'm very excited to share them with you. So, let's dive in! On the first day, we went straight to the cottages we rented. This one is ours and it has a nice pink sofa, a small TV, a kitchen with everything we need to cook, and a table for 6 people. And here is the bedroom with a queen bed, a vintage dresser with a mirror, and the bathroom. I forgot to mention that we rented 3 cottages side by side since we were a big group. The yard is quite big, offering enough space for activities and featuring a fireplace. What I really like here was that these cottages are just by the lake, allowing us to enjoy beautiful views and easy access to the water. And now let's move on to my big chicks. Just kidding. I will show you guys all 3 cottages so you can get an idea of what they look like inside. This is the second one, which is almost the same as ours. We rented these cottages through Airbnb. They are in Victoria and are about an hour and a half from Niagara. The total cost for all 3 cottages was $1,160. And this is the third one with the lake rules right at the entrance. And here is me again. Hi! With the outfit I had on that day. We spent the rest of the day making a barbecue, sitting by the fire, telling stories, and listening to guitar songs. The next day we left in the morning for Niagara Falls. And when we arrived, we were surprised to find out that the parking was $25, regardless if you stay for 1 hour or the whole day, which didn't seem fair to me. I also noticed that the parking price went up as more people came, but luckily we found a free parking spot. Welcome to Niagara Falls, one of the most beautiful waterfalls located between the United States and Canada. For those who haven't experienced it before, there is a boat ride you can take, and during the boat ride, people wear blue capes on the American side, and of course on the Canadian side, the capes are red. This isn't my first visit to Niagara Falls. I came here a few years ago, but I always enjoy it. One of the activities you can do at Niagara is to go through a tunnel behind the falls, go zip lining, or take a boat ride close to the falls, which is what most people choose. The boat tickets cost $32 to $33 per adult. And here we decided to sit on the grass for a while to enjoy the view. After that, we went for a walk through Clifton Hill, which is like a kind of amusement area where you can find restaurants, gift shops, haunted houses, wax museums, video arcades, and all kinds of stuffs. Seeing all the restaurants and smelling the food from the street, we got hungry and decided to stop to eat something at Burger King and then continue our exploration. And here comes my favorite part, Dinosaur Adventure Golf, where I believe that if you manage to hit the hole, this volcano erupts. This part is something I really enjoy every time. I also entered a souvenir shop to see what I could find. I love this Native American doll. It is very beautiful. Hiking sticks, wood giraffes, magnets, you can find all you want here. The last destination was the Skylon Tower, where we went up with that yellow bug elevator and where you can see the Niagara Falls from the top. The prices for the observatory deck are $19 for adults and $9.50 for children. But on our way to the tower, we found this flyer with $1 off, so if you go with the family, you can save a few dollars.
Wait, what's going on? I don't know why I keep keeping this check. You guys are so cool.
And this is the view from the top. Amazing. The tower also has a restaurant that rotates 360 degrees in 1 hour, and if you eat there, admission to the observatory deck is free.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, open the door, please. Wow.
Back to the cottage, we found out that the water doesn't work anymore and we had to stay without water until the next day. We finished the day sitting by the fire and drinking a glass of wine. This was our short visit to Niagara Falls, and after this we continued our journey with Toronto and other cities, but you will see this in the next vlog. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. See you next time!